I think we having a good motherfucking time in here tonight.
I think I'm fried to motherfucking night, you know what I'm saying? I know New York, New Jersey, overly fried in this motherfucker. If you fried in this bitch right now, let me get a hell yeah! Okay. They ready, son?
Okay, my left side. Okay, my right side. Sing this song. Let's go.
Let's go! Yeah, fried. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, hey. Yeah, fried. Yeah. Yeah, fried. Yeah, fried. I just blew a check in the strip club on something going in on my Escobar the fancy. So no. Yeah. Yeah, fried. Yeah, fried. I'm still hot from that night before, and I popped another one. Do you? Roll, roll, roll like a storm. Got more than 2 or 3 forms. Do you? What's up? Oh! I'm fucked up, man. I'm fucked up. I'm fucked up, man. Little shorty shit. I'm fucked up, man. Little shorty. Let's go. Hold a nigga down, this shit's on the clock for